Acabamos de chegar na cidade de Equador, o extremo sul do estado do Rio Grande do Norte. Graças a Deus, mais uma etapa cumprida. E deixa eu ver se dá pra ver. Aí, ó. Bem-vindo a Equador. Show de bola. Hoje é 24 de fevereiro de 2020. Vamos lá, mais uma, procurar a prefeitura agora para bater a foto. Valeu!
Through the 40 thieves.
Wait, didn't your slave girl do that?
Shorty, please, get back to cooking me that feast. I can afford the fee. My destiny's like open sesame. It opens doors for me.
Rich guys are all the same.
It's all a game and I'm superior. Traveled all the lanes from Syria to Siberia to buy various things that match my criteria. Giving rubies to the doobies to prove that I'm serious. One day I got to thinking that my garage was small. I needed a new palace. How about the Taj Mahal? Load up the caravan, we headed east. Y'all know my tendencies for spending sprees across the 7 seas. But right outside the Indian city of Agra, I heard these girls hitting tabla, singing the raga. Hey ladies, I'm Alibaba at your service. But then a weird power surge beneath the surface made me nervous. Sounded like a party, but I thought it's probably not. Turns out it's a ceremony for the goddess Kali Ma. They spoke the mantras to invoke her. She manifested like she's supposed to. I kept it cool like playing poker, which wasn't easy. Kali's a bit creepy, wearing skulls, tongue sticking out. This chick's freaky, but so powerful the hair stood on my neck. The air was full of magic, only fools could have respect. That's when I hatched my plan. I used to steal treasure, bet I could steal this power if I was real clever. And yo, I stop at one, I'll collect goddesses. My logic is stack them up until my power's bottomless. I charmed a couple followers.